Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Waylong Elementary and Junior High School. This is our lunch.
Day
This is lunch date with Teacher Mark.
and Journey. Hello everyone, my name is Lin Bojun and you can call me Jerry. I'm 12 years old and currently in 7th grade section 3. My favorite food is noodle in my free time. I love jogging and playing basketball.
For today's episode, let's talk about careers. As Taiwanese students embark on their university journey, they often set their sights on careers that reflect the nation's dynamic and innovative economy. Many of them choose exciting fields like technology, business, healthcare, and education.
They study hard and learn many new things to get ready for their jobs. Taiwanese students are known for their creativity and respect for traditions, which help them make important contributions to their chosen careers.
Now, let's learn some English vocabulary related to careers. The first one is engineering and IT,
工程资讯技术、
such as software developer,
软体开发人员、
data scientist,
数据科学家、
semiconductor engineer,
半导体工程师、
network engineer,
网络工程师、
healthcare,
医疗保健、
doctor,
医生、
nurse,
护士、
pharmacist,
药剂师、
medical researcher,
医学研究人员、
business and commerce,
商业或贸易、
financial analyst,
财务分析师、
marketing manager,
市场经理、
business consultant,
商业顾问、
accountant,
会计师、
natural sciences,
自然科学、
research scientist,
研究科学家、
biotechnologist,
生物技术学家、
environmental scientist,
环境科学家、
social sciences and law,
社会科学与法律、
public administrator,
公共行政理员、
lawyer,
律师、
social worker,
社工、
policy analyst,
政策分析师、
education,
教育、
teacher,
老师、
school counselor,
学校辅导员、
educational researcher,
教育研究员、
creative arts,
创意艺术、
graphic designer,
平面设计师、
musician,
音乐家、
fine artist,
艺术家、
animator,
动画师、
environmental sciences,
环境科学、
conservation scientist,
保护科学家、
environmental engineer,
环境工程师、
sustainability consultant,
可持续发展顾问、
media and communications,
媒体与通信、
journalist,
记者、
public relations specialist,
公关专家、
content creator,
内容创作者、
film director,
电影导演、
trades and skilled labor,
贸易与技术工人、
electrician,
电工、
plumber,
管理工、
carpenter,
木工、
auto mechanic.
汽车修理工。
And that's it for today's episode. Thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Always remember to follow your dreams and work hard. Keep reaching for the stars.
Once attend this very steady and intelligent way makes fellow students smart and happy.
See you next week here on our lunch.
Our day.
This is Lunch Date with Teacher Mark.